Hello everyone, today I am joined by the lovely Dr. Suzanne Simard. Welcome. Today we're going to be chatting about your course. So it's the FRST 304, Forest Stewardship in Changing Climate. First off, easy question, can you tell me what the course is about?
Yeah, the course provides the fundamentals of what a forest ecosystem is, how it's structured, how it works, and so you learn a lot about the basics of what composes a forest. And then how forests are an important part of the global climate cycle, the carbon cycle, and what we can do in forests to help mitigate and adapt to climate change.
And why is that so important in today's ever-changing world?
It's a really timely course because we're at this point in our social timeline where we have choices to make about whether we exploit forests or manage them for health and productivity, which is really a natural solution to climate change. And we need to know how to do that if we choose that path. And if we do choose that path, we really can, and I want to show, or I will show, how it really is such an important part of mitigating climate change and allowing us time to adapt and changes.
And for those taking the course, what skills do they gain from doing it?
Well, first they just get a knowledge of how a forest works. And when they're walking through the forest, they'll be able to see things themselves, like they'll learn what different tree species are in the Pacific coast. They'll learn different plants. They'll be able to see soils and forest floor. So they'll be able to actually walk in a forest and understand what they're looking at. And then be able to explain, not just to themselves, but anybody, about what are the major cycles that are going on. Even when you look at the structure, they'll be able to understand and explain what the functions are at the same time.
Amazing. And it's important to note, this course isn't just tailored to those doing forestry. Who is it tailored to?
So anybody can take this course, and you don't have to have any special knowledge other than a curiosity about forests and climate change. And so you can come in from first year, second year, third year. You can come in from any faculty, whether it's law or the humanities or science, and you'll be able to understand enough. You'll get all those skills as we go along. So it's really meant for anybody who's interested. So it's not hard to learn the material. It's just takes a matter of focusing on what's being delivered.
And another important aspect of the course is its structure. Can you talk about that?
Yeah, so it's a completely asynchronous course, which means it's online and you can look at the lectures at any time. You can even have course conflicts with other courses because you will be able to look at Forestry 304 in a separate time frame. You just need to attend the lectures, and there are some labs and write-ups that you have to do, but it's pretty generous in your ability to be flexible with the schedule. You can fit it into your life, and I think that's the beauty of the course.
If you had a message to any students that are thinking about doing the course, what would your message be?
Please come and take this course. I think that you'll learn a lot of things and that you would not get in other courses. And you'll get exposure to something that may be way beyond what is your discipline, but you'll be able to integrate this knowledge into what you are specializing in, and it will change your life because you'll get like there's a hopeful message of what we can do to solve these problems.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Suzanne.
You're welcome.